world's attention is firmly focused on climate change and mitigating its effects as government officials and industry leaders gather in Glasgow for the COP26 conference. It's super important we understand the transition pathways towards getting to net zero. Now, we know a number of factors will be at play in that transition. Part will come down to the behavioral change of you and I and businesses, part to regulations that governments put in place and legislate on, in part to the use of technology. And it's that latter factor, specifically mobile and digital technology, that we're particularly interested in. And so we've partnered with our friends at Nokia and the Carbon Trust to release a piece of research this week that goes into detail understanding the potential impact of mobile and digital technology on four sectors that make up 80% of global emissions: manufacturing, power and utilities, transportation, and buildings. And I want to just highlight three findings from that, which I think are timely and topical. The first is the quantitative aspect. Our analysis and modeling suggests that just under 40% of the required CO2 reductions over the next 10 years to 2030 can come from mobile and digital technology. That's 11 gigatons. And to put it in perspective, if you take the savings for manufacturing alone per year, that equates to around 28 million round trip flights from London to Los Angeles, a very sizable number. The second is the here and now. Most of the technology that we're talking about is largely available and in place. It comes down to the investment and deployment decisions of enterprise across the economy to deploy now to gain the environmental and economic benefit over the long run. And then thirdly, it's to stress that the benefits go beyond decarbonisation itself. Economic diversification, labor force diversification, and ultimately transitioning to a sustainable green economy are benefits we can all appreciate.